Welcome back to Hainline Manufacturing. I'm Jacob. Sorry for my followers for the kind of delay of a couple weeks / months. I needed to take some much needed time off for myself. It is the summer, so I wanted to go out, ride my motorcycle, have some fun. And it was kind of nice just to relax and just go to work, come home, and not have to worry about side jobs and making videos. Do love making videos and making parts, but sometimes you just have to take time for yourself. So in this video, I am making a speedometer bracket for a motorcycle, a DT400. It's for a good family friend of ours. So in this video, I just walked through how I make it. I had to make 2 of them, and they're exactly identical. So I'm just going to show you me making one, and then you can kind of just rewatch it if you want to watch it a second time. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoy. I'm going to try to explain stuff as I go throughout. I had to use some longer stick out tools than what I'm used to in the mills, so I kind of babied it. That'll be the first part of this video, so hope you guys enjoy. Thank you. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, leave some comments about what you would like to see. There are more videos coming. I do have kind of a slew of videos I need to put together and edit, so hope you guys enjoy those when they come out, and thank you guys. So hope you enjoy.